style, like street or highway? I'll cut him. Don't worry.
Hi.
Highway or street? Highway? Have you done anything to the bike, or did you, when you buy it, it was like this? It was just like that? You're gonna change it? What's
Never.
never?
That's my dad bike.
That's your bike. No matter what, you can.
That's
Do
my
you
bike.
do any of the work yourself, like oil changes, oil filter?
Everything is good.
No. Do you do the work
No.
yourself,
No.
or do you take it to shop?
No, shop.
Shop? Okay. How reliable has it been? Have you had any problem with the bike?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
So,
I am the only problem.
I get it. So what brings you here? Do you come here often to this event? Or this is your first time?
No, I'm Latino right now.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
my like 4 years.
So you have this is a group, Latino, right? How big?
They're doing the bike wash.
Oh, okay.
Part of the bike wash gang.
How big is the group?
It's big.
Like 100 riders, 50 riders?
I don't know how much.
Yeah, just like
Like 40. Like 40.
40, 50 riders? Okay. So you go right around do you go outside the city or just
Sometime.
inside?
Sometimes we go New York.
Oh, you go to New York, okay. When was the last time you went there?
2 years. Él es celoso, dice. He's doing an interview. Say hi.
No quiero que me haga llorar.
Say hi. No, que está la cámara.
I'll put him, but not the beer. I'll put him. So you go to New York. How was your New York trip last time? When was the last time you went there? 2 years ago? Are you planning one again? Are you planning another trip to New York?
No. Too tired.
Too tired?
Too tired.
Yeah, it's a long ride, yeah? Three and a half hours, right? Well, nice meeting you, and hope to, see you again sometime.